Yes, once again, the Imperial Royal Affair, Savoir Faire, Royal Complex is in here. I have one question, baby. Was I worth it? Was I worth your time? Was I really worth the time? Do I ever cross your mind? Do you wish those old times back? I can still feel you in my arms. I remember you next to me. Remember you used to page me often. Was it worth your time, baby? You still cross my mind, baby. What we had was true. I think I still feel for you like it was yesterday. Feel like I'm going crazy. It was simple with you in my life. Now I can't get a grip. I tell myself, get it together, yeah. Easier said from the voice in my head. Was I worth it, baby? Did I make a difference in your life? Was I really worth the time? Do I ever cross your mind? Do you wish those old times back? I still feel you in my arms. You are my best friend and lover. What more could I have asked for? You are my future shining bright. The foolish pride came in. My world went upside down. I know deep inside I can make it right. Let's get it right. But if not, was I worth the time? Did I blow your mind? Didn't I blow your mind? Was I really worth the time? Didn't I blow your mind? Do you wish those old times back? I think we can get it back.
I think we can get it back.
Yeah, let's get it back. Me and you, dynamic too. You was my girl, I was your guy. Together, we was so fly. We can do it again. Let's do it again. Me and you, just take my hand and we can go over here and talk it out, walk it out. Was I worth the time? Was I really worth the time? Do I ever cross your mind? Do you wish those old times back? I think we can get it back. Let's talk it out, walk it out. Let's do it, girl. You're my world, me and yours. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Do I ever cross your mind? Cross your mind? Do I ever cross your mind? Do I ever cross your mind? Do I ever cross your mind? Do you wish those old times back? I think we can get it back. I know we can get it back.
Get it back, yo.
Was I worth it, girl? I know you were. I think you worth it again.
I think you're worth it.
The Imperial Royal Affair. Bring you hits once again. Savoir Faire. Take us out of here.